out.
Conscious.
Yo, what is going on, Dank fam? We are out here in Charleston, South Carolina. I need to wake up. I'm actually pretty dead right now. Got your boy Trevor, low-key, cutting up these vids. We had to drop by and have a little session at this beautiful mint lot. But yeah, this shit ain't sweet like the Charleston 2 today, boy. We getting down. Oh shit, a second camera. They're about to see all the ugly ass grease on my face. Becky White's actually fine. I just took her throttle cables off because they're pretty maxed out. So I'm also leaking a ton of gas. We'll get it figured out. I'll be alright. The cool thing is it's not leaking all over the bike. It actually has a long enough line this time. Awesome. Alright, I got Old Mint Metalworks. He's dropping that seat off soon, so we're just gonna ride this bike as it sits. I had one day of practice yesterday, doing a little bit of here and there, and I actually got pretty far into it. Just fine, dog. We gonna get some wheelies together? Yeah. I got straight line all day, so I'm in there with you. Real talk, people. I am dead. I need to wake up. We gonna get some hype in. Yeah. See that sauce, boy? My man right here, this is why he's got the sauce on the edits, because he's got the sauce on the bike.
I'm not drinking, I'm just smoking back to back. It's hard to focus, got the gas, now the motion stuck in traffic, stop and go shit overcame procrastination. I get paid without promotion, got desire.
This thing rips, man. I love it. So what I'm doing is like a foot in the hole, but I don't have a seat, so I can really put my knee up against the seat and stabilize a lot smoother.
I don't wanna talk, this ain't no negotiation.
Oh,
I'm not interested in procreation. I am not your big bro, fam. We got no relation. If you're not on this side, then you're guilty by association. Check my reputation, you can check the resume. I ain't finished second place since I was in the second grade. It's second nature to me, this is how I
He killed the damn bike doing that shit.
If you bet it, then they better pay. Exorcist the evil. Got so many demons, I can barely feel the fever. This my demeanor, even when I'm off tequila. Your girl is a man, Griffin, my girl is a Mila. Let's get animated, Johnny Rachel. Say that shit, I mean it. She calls me, I scream that I'm only f***ing if it's new to that's the shit we pass around. That's me shit, but you ain't fam, so this is me shit. Cuff yours and then me shit. Listen, I'm feeling you. Inspire growth. I ain't done what I wish to. If you're mad, well, do the bad. Sounds like a personal issue. I walk in, they all stare like, who the fuck is this dude? Can't stand this person. I don't get you this.
I'm the rookie in the revs now. What the hell? Hi, boy. We're back. We're about to ride some straight line. Maybe do circle wheelies or more wheelies nonetheless. Scraping the shit out of that thing. Too hot to think, ride, and talk. I gotta pick like one of the two. Yeah. Digging deep, Bubba! He's been doing them a lot longer. Of course, when you get on camera, when it gets crazy.
I'm just smoking back to back. It's hard to focus. Got the gas, not in motion. Stuck in traffic, stop and go. Shit overcame procrastination. I get paid without promotion. Rappers out here jacking. They forgot the lotion. I don't wanna talk. This ain't no negotiation. Fuck you. I'm not interested in procreation. I am not your big bro fam. We got no relation. If you're not on this side, then you're guilty by association. I get older and I grow impatient. I find money and get harder to find motivation. I'm so antisocial. I took no vacations. I'm just running with the fight like God, it's no rotations. They won't take me out the game. I'm a broken bucket. Wait for Austin, Michael Paul, Rodney Harper Ruckers. I've been
Looking for an 0304 motor, ready to buy. Oh, shit. Kill switch. Hey, you can put a nail through it for now. You just drill a hole through it and put something in it. I got drill bits and everything if you got like something to slide through, like a paper clip. Ouch. I'm gonna park her now.